You can change the photo background on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra for a photo that you've already taken. So simply go into the AI gallery and find the photo whose background you want to change. So select that photo, and once it's selected, you simply have to tap on this AI option and select Art Gallery, AI Art Gallery, or you can simply tap on Edit and then tap on this icon at the top here. Then you want to ensure that you select the AI Travel Shots, and it's going to give you a couple of options that you can use to change that background. So select the option that you like or best suits you. For me, I'll select that, and it's going to recognize the subject in the photo, and it's going to process that particular background around that photo. So this might take a while, so be patient as it does that. And once the style is applied, it's going to be to apply to your photo just like that. And that's basically how to change the background on your photo on the Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Now, it might slightly play around with your image and change the appearance, but basically if you want to change the background, that's how you do it. So try it out, try these different options, and let me know what you think about them down in the comment section below. But once you're done, you can simply tap on this check mark and then tap on this icon at the top, and then you can choose to save as a new file. But that's basically how to do it. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.